Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about what is Python. Python is a popular high-level interpreted programming language recognized for its simplicity and readability. It finds extensive application in various domains like web development, data analysis, and machine learning. Python code is often structured into modules and packages to facilitate reusability and streamline maintenance. For instance, the code snippet print "Hello World" demonstrates a basic Python script that prints "Hello World" to the console. Python is a versatile language with an extensive standard library offering numerous pre-built functionalities. Its support for various programming paradigms such as procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming makes it adaptable to different project requirements. Python's beginner-friendly nature, alongside a robust community, enhances accessibility and aids in resolving issues efficiently. For instance, the provided Python code snippet showcases a simple function add numbers that adds two numbers and returns the result. This straightforward implementation highlights Python's readability and ease of use, making it a suitable choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Python is dynamically typed, which means that variable types are not explicitly declared and can change during program execution. Python's syntax relies on indentation to define code blocks, unlike languages that use braces or keywords. Additionally, Python is an interpreted language, where code is executed line by the Python interpreter. For instance, in the provided example, the if and else blocks are defined by the indentation levels. Python is like a versatile kitchen knife, capable of performing a wide range of tasks such as slicing, dicing, and chopping. Just like how a chef uses a knife to create a delicious meal, a programmer uses Python to create powerful and efficient programs. Python's simple syntax and vast libraries make it a popular choice for beginners and professionals alike, much like how a high-quality knife is preferred by chefs of all skill levels. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. In the code snippet above, we dive into the world of Python programming by drawing an analogy between Python and a versatile kitchen knife. Just as a chef relies on a knife to prepare and create dishes, a programmer harnesses the power of Python to write efficient and effective code. Python's similarity to a kitchen knife shines through in various aspects of the code. Importing libraries in Python is akin to gathering necessary ingredients before cooking. It sets the stage for the tasks ahead. Python functions, such as calculating the area of a circle or generating random numbers, can be likened to mastering different cutting techniques with a knife. They are essential tools in a programmer's arsenal. The simplicity and readability of Python's syntax are comparable to the comfort of holding a well-balanced knife. It allows programmers to express complex ideas in a straightforward and concise manner. Moreover, leveraging Python's extensive libraries mirrors having a full set of kitchen tools at your disposal. It empowers developers to tackle a wide range of tasks efficiently. Furthermore, Python's readability and flexibility make it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals, much like how a high-quality kitchen knife's precision and adaptability cater to chefs of all skill levels. This highlights Python's universal appeal and its ability to deliver exceptional results in diverse applications. In essence, this analogy-driven narrative provides a whimsical yet insightful look into the world of Python programming, showcasing its versatility, power, and user-friendly nature through the lens of a chef's indispensable tool, the kitchen knife. Python's versatility extends beyond analogies and metaphors as it finds applications in various industries around the world. For instance, in the field of finance, Python is widely used for algorithmic trading and quantitative analysis. Financial institutions leverage Python's rich ecosystem of libraries, such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, to process vast amounts of data, analyze market trends, and make informed investment decisions. Python's ease of use and robust mathematical capabilities make it a preferred choice for professionals in the finance sector. Similarly, in the realm of data science and machine learning, Python plays a crucial role in extracting insights from complex datasets. Organizations across different sectors use Python's libraries like TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and Keras to build predictive models, perform sentiment analysis, and automate decision-making processes. Python's scalability and compatibility with other technologies make it a top choice for data scientists and machine learning engineers worldwide. In conclusion, Python's versatility and power have made it a staple tool in various industries across the globe. Whether in finance, data science, web development, or scientific research, Python continues to empower professionals to innovate, solve complex problems, and drive progress. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.